Today I'm going to talk to you about the total cost of ownership for owning a vehicle and a couple tips. So if buying new, keep for the long term. Vehicles are extremely expensive, especially when buying new, and they depreciate like crazy. Leasing is the most expensive way to operate a vehicle, but it can make sense at times for the right person. And it's ideal to buy a 3-year-old used car if you can. Again, these are just general tips. So here's your vehicle. A lot of things to keep in mind when it comes to total cost of ownership. So you've got air filters, tires, oil filter and oil, gas, wipers, your loan amount, 72 months, 6%, $5,000 down, your typical vehicle cost, which is crazy nowadays. So your total cost of ownership, here's everything that goes into that. And I think not enough people know this when they're buying a vehicle. So you've got your gas, your insurance, your tabs, your loan. Loan's obviously going to be the highest there. And then maintenance. And this is typically what goes into maintenance. Obviously other stuff can come up, but your oil change, $70 twice a year. Air filter, $30 a year. Tire rotation's about $30. Tires, $1,000, so about $200 a year. Now you're not going to pay for that obviously every year, but when those tires come around, that's your typical price. Wipers, $30 a year, and then any problems that come up. And then just as a high level, depreciation is about 50 to 60% after 5 years, or $25,000 to $30,000 on that $50,000 vehicle. So your loan plus gas plus insurance. Here's the full example after we talk through all that stuff. So your loan is $745. Your gas is probably going to cost you about $100 a month. Your insurance, $120. So your total is $965. Now, if you take the total cost of ownership into consideration, loan, gas, insurance, that's the $965. We're just moving right here. Tabs, $300 divided by 12, so about $25. Obviously, you're not paying that monthly, but it's a cost you need to consider. Maintenance, $400 divided by 12. That's a lot of these costs we talked about here, so $33. And then any problems come up, I have not added that in, but your true cost here is about $1,000, a little over $1,000 a month. And a lot of people just look at this loan number. So that's a quick way. I wish I knew this a lot sooner when I was buying cars. So hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching.